Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to just kind of run with something. I was inspired by pattern 28776 on friendshipbracelets.net, but thought, you know what, we could do something different here. So my thought was, if we have like these four squares sort of in the middle, that would be sort of cool. So then right, and then I'm just kind of basing this zigzag line with leaving four squares that stay in the middle area. And normally I start from the middle, but this time I thought I would try seeing how it would go. I'm not sure if it's going to flip properly, so I'll just go ahead and just work it out. This will be a somewhat easy pattern. You just have to be able to do the knot that changes its direction. That's typically not very beginner friendly, but if you're just kind of learning that aspect of bracelet making, this might be the one to give it a try on. So yeah, that's what I was kind of afraid of, that it wouldn't balance out evenly. So we're gonna remove this last row. And now one more color here. Let's go with red. And whenever it comes to this crossing over to the right, that's the one that wins. So we're kind of creating a sort of a DNA look of like two things that are kind of spiraling around each other. At least that's what I'm trying to do. It'll still be a 12-string bracelet. It's just going to have a couple of strings that are of a different color, which should make it really interesting. I haven't decided what the background color is going to be, but I do like the blue and red idea a lot. And with my template, basically just dropping a row from this template is not that big a deal. It's, I don't think anybody would even notice, but it keeps it nice and symmetrical. All right. I guess the first thing we want to do is go ahead and clear that bottom row out of there. So basically, I'm just going to use the pencil tool. There we go. Now, back to the painting tool. So one of the things, look, I left a little bit down here. I'm very picky. There we go. All right. So as I'm filling in the underlying strings, so that way the pattern is good for you guys when I post it online, let me just thank my YouTube members who make this possible. I love coming up with new ideas and new patterns and designs and things, and being enabled by my YouTube members to be able to buy this floss and have lots of colors on hand, because I never know what the next thing is going to be, has really made this whole endeavor possible. And yeah, I really, honestly, I can't thank the people who keep this channel supported enough. I really do appreciate it. I just got a comment today that somebody just discovered my channel and now wants to make bags, and so they're going to start watching videos on bag making because they have been inspired, and I am over the moon about the whole prospect that a person who is making bracelets now wants to do something bigger. That's awesome. That's so cool. So yeah, definitely made my day. All right, so now we put the blue in. And then we can do a whole mess paint for everything that's left. Yeah, there's a few other possibilities that this pattern could do. If we changed up, you know, the how many it comes out, maybe we'll do that. It might be interesting to see this in a few different versions. Or maybe we keep this DNA look, but then the center one has a bigger diamond in the center. That'd be kind of fun. That would be neat. Yeah, it's my mind is reeling with all the possibilities of what else we could do with a design like this. So yeah. All right, so now we've done the two colors, and now we just need what the background is. So to do that, we use this tool here, which is the select by color tool, and we select this color back here. Now, I guess gray would make a nice background for the pattern itself. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Now we go to our paint tool. So we have everything is selected. Now we go to the paint tool and we hit the fill hole selection. So everything that's been selected will now get painted. And there you go. And if we hit Control A is for all, it selects everything again, so we don't have everything flashing. And there's our pattern, our DNA design. I love it. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I also think it's going to be a lot of fun to make. So yeah, we'll get working on that right away, and we'll have the results for you tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.